Hello, good evening. Sorry I had to reset that. Welcome. Hey David, good evening. Hello everybody. Let's give our friends a couple minutes to allow them in, and then we'll go over the list of participants. Let's give about another minute. Welcome everyone. All right. Good evening. All right everyone, let's get it started. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining us this evening. I want to begin by telling you thank you. We sold out tonight, so I'm going to do a little something for you guys here. So hopefully you guys catch something. So let's start off with that, and then we'll go over the list. All right, everybody. Good luck. This is your bonus pack. And thank you again. Serge Ibaka, Marcus Morris Sr., Bam Adebayo, Joel Embiid, Damian Lillard. We have a green laser here. Like Gordon Hayward, green on green. It's nice. Taylor Bay and Tyrell Terry. All right, let's put those aside. Again, thank you for joining us. If you just tuned in, I just opened a pack to show our appreciation for selling out. Let's go over our participants. Atlanta to Zach. Celtics to Brendan L. Brooklyn Nets to Brian S. Charlotte Hornets to Vincent C. Chicago Bulls to Brendan L. Cleveland Cavaliers to James D. The Mavericks to Tiffany D. Nuggets to Ryan C. Pistons to Tiffany D. The Warriors to Farzan Ahmad. The Rockets to Irwin O. The Pacers to Farzan. Clippers to Ryan. Lakers to Farzan. Memphis and the Heat to Carl B. The Bucks to Farzan A. Timberwolves to Zane E. Pelicans to Jeff L. The Knicks to Zach K. The Thunder to Farzan. The Magic to Brendan L. 76ers to Ryan C. Phoenix and the Trailblazers to Farzan A. Excuse me. The Kings to Carl B. San Antonio to Farzan A. The Raptors and the Jazz to Tiffany D. And the Washington Wizards to Jimmy M. All right, those are our participants. Thank you again for joining us. 824 Breaks. And let me adjust the camera and we'll start ripping. All right, good luck, everyone. We will start off with the NBA hoops. We have 2 fat packs. And then, so let's see if we can get, you know what, these fat packs are pretty good. I've hit everything in these things. So even a Kobe insert. So good luck, everyone. First card of the night. PJ Washington Jr. to the Hornets. Clint Capella to the Rockets. Buddy Hield to Sacramento. Duncan Robinson to Miami Heat. Paul Millsap to the Nuggets. Tristan Thompson to the Cavs. LaMarcus Aldridge to the Spurs. Blake Griffin to the Pistons. Evan Fournier to the Magic. Chris Paul to OKC. Josh Richardson to Philadelphia. OG Anunoby to Toronto. Robert Covington to the Rockets. Jared Culver to Minnesota Timberwolves. Frank Ntilikina to New York. Montrezl Harrell to the Clippers. Eric Bledsoe to the Bucks. Zach LaVine to the Bulls. Steph Curry. LeBron James. Oh, looks like we have a green explosion. Teal explosion. Wesley Matthews of the Bucks. Frequent Flyers. Teammate. Pascal Siakam. Lights, Camera, Action. There's a nice hit. Patrick Williams to the Bulls, class of 2020. And the rookies are Jalen McDaniels, Vernon Carey Jr., Zeke Naji. That's your first hit today. James Wiseman, Kira Lewis Jr., and Precious Achua. So we will sleeve up all your rookies and some of your hits and top load your better hits, and we'll send them off tomorrow in bubble mailers. Hopefully we get there in a few days. Let's put this one up. James Wiseman. Excuse me while I sleeve a couple of these up. Okay, next pack. Sleeve those up a little bit. Good luck. Okay, first card. Kelly Oubre Jr., Domantas Sabonis, Nicholas Batum, excuse me, John Collins, De'Aaron Fox, Mike Conley, Nikola Jokic, Darius Garland, Cleveland, Patty Mills of the Spurs, Sekou Doumbouya of Detroit, Josh Richardson, OG Anunoby, Robert Covington, Jared Culver, Frank Ntilikina, Montrezl Harrell, Eric Bledsoe, Zach LaVine, Steph Curry, LeBron James, and we have Tim Hardaway Jr. to the Mavs, Teal Explosion. Nice hit there. Oh, to Golden State. Steph Curry. Looks like it's the base, but nice slam there. There's that too. Farzan. Congrats. Let me sleeve that up for you. Bandy plates, Pascal Siakam. We have a, looks like purple Tyrese Maxey. Emmanuel Quickly. There you go, nice. CJ Ellaby, Skylar Mays, Peyton Pritchard, Patrick Williams, Devin Vassell, and Nico Mannion. Excuse me while I sleeve a few of these up. Manual quickly. Excuse me guys, a couple more so I can put them up there. All these slams are my brother and I favorite inserts, probably just like a lot of people. Alright, put this one up. One more, and we'll get to the Donruss. Okay, moving on. Also, 2 fat packs, this time of the Donruss, 30 cards also in these. Good luck. Alright, first card of the Donruss. Shake Milton, Jackson Hayes, Jonas Valanciunas, Josh Jackson, Jordan Clarkson, Klay Thompson, John Collins, LeBron James, Blake Griffin, Ricky Rubio, Terrence Ross, Kristaps Porzingis, Donovan Mitchell, Chris Middleton, Malcolm Brogdon of the Pacers, D'Angelo Russell of the Timberwolves, Clint Capella of the Hawks, Joe Ingles of the Jazz, Jeff Teague of the Hawks, Al Horford of the Sixers, Jay Crowder of the Heat, Troy Brown Jr. of the Wizards. Your expectations. There you go. Minnesota. Anthony Edwards. Power in the Paint. Jared Allen. Ooh, nice there. Saban Lee. The green yellow laser here. Parallel to the Detroit Pistons. Nice card there. Let's leave that up in a second. Your rookies are Nico Mannion, Xavier Tillman, teammate Desmond Bain, Emmanuel Quickley, and Zeke Naji. Excuse me, second. Saban Lee to Detroit. That is to Tiffany D. Nice card. Put that up there for you. One more, guys. There we go. Next pack. What's up, Roman? Thank you for watching. Good luck too. And yes, Tiffany, nice card for you. Congrats. Hope you can get some better ones too. Here we go, second pack of the Donruss. Good luck. Lonzo Ball, Gary Harris, Derrick Rose, Steven Adams, Steph Curry, Russell Westbrook, Chris Paul, Dorian Finney-Smith, Bojan Bogdanovic, Kevin Durant, Brook Lopez, Doug McDermott, Miles Turner, Mike Conley, Paul Millsap, Marc Gasol, Devin Booker, Zach LaVine, Brandon Clark, Tristan Thompson, Montrezl Harrell, Jason Tatum, Joel Embiid. Have a Devontae Graham to the Hornets, franchise features. Have a Tyrese Halliburton to the Kings. Carl B, there you go. Nice insert there. Probably the 2A of the rookies. These guys are so good this year. Aaron Naismith, Killian Hayes, Patrick Williams for the third time, Cassius Winston, and wrong Hornet, Nick Richards. Excuse me a second while I sleep some of these up. There you go, Carl. All right. Now we are moving on to the premium packs. 12 cards with 3 bonus cards, so 15 total in each pack. Good luck, everybody. We have the exclusive prisms to this one, but let's look for some Jaws and some Zions. They like to come up in these packs. So good luck, everyone. Let me open the other one already. So let's open the cards first and then the extras. All right, everyone, good luck. First card of the Hoops Premium. Luke Kennard, Spencer Dinwiddie, PJ Tucker, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Mitchell Robinson, Fred VanVleet, rookie card Rui Hachimura to Washington, Nicolo Melli, wrong Pelican. We have RJ Barrett to New York, rookie card tribute. Our prism is Utah Jazz Jordan Clarkson's, probably 6th man of the year. Utah. Green, Wesley Matthews, and nice NBA City, Luka to Tiffany D. There you go, Tiff. Let me sleeve some of these up. Put JC up because he's probably going to be the sixth man. Former Laker. Prison though. RJ Barrett. Knicks. Zach. Nice rookie card of RJ. And let's put and Roy. Okay. Next pack. Good luck. Second pack. Matthew Dellavedova, Avery Bradley, Malik Beasley, Marvin Bagley III, Emmanuel Mudiay, Kyle Lowry, Paul Millsap, Keldon Johnson of the Spurs, rookie card. Oh, sorry. It is a Charles Barkley to Phoenix tribute. It's like a prism. Brandon Clark rookie card to the Grizzlies. It looks like we have a blue here. Sacramento, Marvin Bagley III. And the last card is Cam Reddish, Atlanta. We got next. I like these cards too. All right. Let's do the bonus packs. First one. Dion Waiters. Wrong ball. Oh, that's right. He's not in this one. Lonzo Ball. And it's a Grizzly. Wrong one. Kyle Anderson. All right. Last bonus pack. Then we'll move on to the blasters. Justin Jackson. Jeff Green. And it's a Laker. Who is this? Nice. Talen Horton-Tucker to the Lakers. He's playing well. Getting some time to play. Who is this? Farzan. There you go. Nice rookie card there. Get some minutes. He'll show his stuff. I like that. Let me post that. Okay, let's move on to the NBA Hoops Blaster. $88 cards, blue and red parallels, mem or autograph. Good luck. Excuse me real quick. See everybody. All right. Going to the blaster. Empty box. Good luck, everyone. Load this a little bit more. First pack. Kendrick Nunn, Torrey Craig, Christian Wood, Tobias Harris, Serge Ibaka. Got a Vanity Plates James Harden to Houston. Leandro Balmoro and Tyrell Terry. Okay, next pack. Mo Bamba, Devin Booker, Luka, Jackson Hayes, Gordon Hayward. We have a purple Will Barton to Denver. Our rookies are RJ Hampton, also to Denver, and we have a Hornet, but it's Nick Richards. Next pack. Here we go. Good luck. Davis Bertans, Bam Adebayo, Anthony Davis, DeAndre Jordan, Matisse Thybulle. Again, we have a purple Kyle Lowry to Toronto. Rookies are Jalen Smith and Danny Abdia. Okay, next pack. Victor Oladipo to Indiana Pacers. Malik Monk of the Hornets. Cam Reddish, the Hawks. Paul George, Giannis. Ooh, we have a Slam, Sacramento. White Chocolate, Jason Williams. Nice card. These Slams are so nice. Let's leave that up for you. Another nice rookie, Kenyon Martin Jr. and Elijah Hughes. Sacramento, Carl. There you go. Okay, next pack. Harry Giles III, Sacramento. Jordan Clarkson. Thaddeus Young. Klay Thompson. Dwight Howard, arriving now. Jalen Smith to Phoenix. Rookies are CJ Ellaby and Skylar Mays of Atlanta. Okay, Phoenix. All right, next pack. Michael Porter Jr., Colin Sexton, Marvin Bagley III, Kyle Lowry, Eric Gordon. We got a red Daniel Gafford to the Bulls, who's now in Washington. Onyeka Okongwu of Atlanta, and Saban Lee, Detroit. Okay, next pack. I'll do that one last. Cameron Johnson, T.J. Warren, Lonzo Ball, Where's Your Brother, Romeo Langford, Kawhi Leonard, Jamius Ramsey, purple, going to the Kings. We have Jalen McDaniels, and we have Vernon Carey Jr., other Hornet. Sacramento. Okay, next pack. Cody Zeller, Darius Baisley, CJ McCollum, George Hill, Lauri Markkanen, another Lights Camera Action, Pascal Siakam, Zeke Naji, and another James Wiseman. There you go. All right, 3 more packs of the hoops. Good luck, everyone. Donovan Mitchell, John Wall, Draymond Green, Kentavious Caldwell-Pope with the Lakers, Taurean Prince, Kevon Looney, purple, to Golden State, Pelicans, Kira Lewis Jr., and last rookie card there, Precious Achiuwa. Still no LaMelo. Come on, Melo. We're looking for you. All right, 2 more of the hoops. I'll save the last one. Feels like there's a mem in there. Thon Maker, Aaron Gordon, Joel Embiid, Austin Rivers of Houston Rockets, Kristaps Porzingis, Frequent Flyers, Kawhi Leonard, rookie card Devin Vassell of the Spurs, and Nico Mannion of the Warriors. Okay, last pack of the hoops. This one has a mem card in it. Good luck. Bradley Beal, Andre Iguodala, DeMar DeRozan, Spencer Dinwiddie. Put that to the back. We have a lights, camera, action, Donovan Mitchell. Rookie card, Peyton Pritchard. And another Patrick Williams. I think the fourth one now. And your, let's see, your mem is Xavier Tillman to Memphis. Patch. Carl B. There you go. Let's leave that up there for you. Okay. We're going to move on to the Donruss. There we go. Also 88 cards, 1 autograph or mem per box on average. Okay, good luck. Come on, LaMelo. You haven't made your appearance yet. Let's get Vincent and LaMelo here. Empty box. All right, let's go. First pack of the blaster. Good luck. Let's go, LaMelo. Norman Powell, Kelly Oubre, Trae Young, Carmelo Anthony, Wrong Melo, KCP, the Lakers, franchise features, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Rookies are Desmond Bane and Emmanuel Quickley. Okay. Next pack. Josh Richardson, De'Aaron Fox, John Morant, Landry Shamet. Looks like we have orange in there. Bogdan Bogdanovic. '76er Joel Embiid. That's a nice card. Going to Ryan. Rookie cards are Killian Hayes and Aaron Naismith. Excuse me real quick while I sleeve up a few of these. Okay, next pack. Cody Zeller, Dennis Smith Jr., Kobe White, Serge Ibaka, Marcus Morris Sr., complete players Paul George, rookie card, oh, it's a Hornet. Is it? No, not yet. Caleb Martin and Precious Chua. We're pulling for you here, Vincent. Come on, Melo. All right, JJ Redick, James Johnson, sorry. Grant Williams, Harrison Barnes, Shabazz Napier. I know, huh, Vinny? Everyone. Looks like we have a franchise features Tyler Hero to Miami. Nice card there. Let's see who this is. Cole Anthony, also nice. And we have a Tyrese Halliburton. It's a nice little pack there. Let me sleeve these up. I feel you, Vinny. Everybody except him. Tyrese. Let's put him up there. Tyler Hero. Okay, next pack, guys. And ladies, sorry, Tiffany. Here we go. Trevor Ariza, DeJounte Murray, Dwight Powell, Buddy Hield, Gordon Hayward, Orange Laser, Brooke Lopez, rookies are another Patrick Williams and Cassius Winston. Man, you got a starting 8 right there with Patrick Williams. Okay, I think that's 5 or 6 of them already. Good for Chicago. All right, next pack. Come on, LaMelo. Here we go. Anthony Simons, Slam Dunk Champ, Terry Rozier, Bradley Beal, Keldon Johnson, Ben Simmons, Great Expectations, Precious Achua. Okay, I think this one is a Hornet. And is it? Oh my goodness. Nick Richards and Trey Jones. All right, closer. Okay, here we go. Nikola Vucevic, Eric Gordon, Devontae Graham, Ivica Zubac, Miles Bridges, league leaders John Stockton to Utah, rated rookie Daniel Oturo to the Clippers, and Jaden McDaniels to the Wolves. All right, 4 more packs of the Donruss. Good luck, everyone. Got Dwight Howard, Karl Anthony Towns, Colin Sexton, Chris Dunn, Nerlens Noel. It's Atlanta Hawk, rated rookie Skylar Mays to Atlanta. It's nice. That is to Zach. Rookie cards are Zeke Naji and Sadiq Bey. Skylar Mays. Okay, 3 more packs. Let's do that one last. Oh, okay. Maybe getting close. It's brother Lonzo Ball, Gary Harris, Derrick Rose, Clint Capella. I've never seen them come in the same pack, so maybe this time. Kendrick Nunn. This is to Portland. Damian Lillard, Dame Time, Orange Laser. Atlanta Hawks, Skylar Mays, and Saban Lee. Damian Lillard to Portland. Farzan, there you go. All right, 2 more packs for LaMelo and everybody else, but at least 1 Melo, come on. All right, here we go, guys. Steven Adams, Steph Curry, Kyle Kuzma, Jimmy Butler, Zion Williamson. Looks like it's a Pacer. Doug McDermott. Rookies are Tyler Bay and Tyrell Terry. Man, these guys. Alright, last pack of Donruss. And last try for LaMelo. Last pack magic for LaMelo here. Alright, and we got our man in here. Good luck. Be nice if it was a LaMelo. Okay. Anthony Wiggins, Kevin Love, Will Barton, Victor Oladipo, nice fantasy, Luka Doncic, Fantasy Stars, Tiffany, Isaac Okoro, and last rookie is James Wiseman. And we have we got the Admiral, David Robinson, going to San Antonio. Well, that's nice. Let's leave that up there for you. San Antonio. There's Farzan. Nice cards tonight, my friend. The Admiral. Let's put up Mr. Wiseman here. Let's change that other one out. All right, let me sleeve up one more and then we'll move on to the NBA hoops. Sorry about that, Mr. Vincent. Did not get a LaMelo from those packages. Hopefully next time. Everything but LaMelo. Okay. Last box. Another 2 cards. We also have Red Prisms exclusive to the Blaster. And also autographs. And Hoops Inc. So afterwards we will do a recap. And I don't have any randoms tonight. We didn't have any swaps, any jersey swaps. So I don't think I have any tonight. Alright, packs. Empty box. Good luck, everybody. Ja and Zion. Look out for them. First pack. Yeah, have a good night, Vinny. Sorry about that, my friend. We'll get you next time. Austin Rivers. Kelly Oubre. Kevin Durant. And a Ricky Rubio. It's like the orange prism. Okay, next pack. I know, Vinny, I pulled 4 last Saturday. 4 LaMelos. And none today. I guess it's like that. Wendell Carter Jr., Derrick Rose, rookie card Jalen McDaniels, Charlotte, and to the Nets we have rookie card Nicholas Claxton. Okay, next pack. Wilson Chandler, LaMarcus Aldridge, rookie card DeAndre Hunter to Atlanta, and to Washington Wizards, John Wall. Prism NBA City. Aaron Baines, rookie card Kyle Guy to the Kings. Looks like we have a signature, auto there. Kyrie Irving, like a prism. And who is this? We have to the Cavs, City Osman. There you go. To Cleveland, James D. There's your auto there. City Osman. Okay, 4 more packs. Lou Williams, Andrew Wiggins, got a J.R. Smith, and a Prism Thomas Bryant. Next pack. Justin Jackson, Spider Mitchell, Anthony Simons. What is that? Oh man, look at that, guys. This is out of NBA Hoops. I'll clean that up for you there. Going to Portland. And Devin Booker, green. That's a nice card. Let's leave that up. He's balling this year. There you go. Put that one aside. I'll clean that one up for you. Okay, last 2 packs. John Collins, Terrence Ross. There's your Zion Williamson rookie card tribute to Jeff L. And a Courtney Lee, Dallas, like the Mojo. Zion Williamson sighting. Alright, let's put them up anyway, because I know it's coming to the end, but let's show them off anyway. There we go. Last pack of the night. Let's get a jaw, and we'll only casualty is LaMelo. Alright, Klay Thompson, Derrick Jones Jr., we have a Carson Edwards rookie card, and the last card is to Orlando Magic, Aaron Gordon, NBA City. Okay, everyone. Let's go over the hits here real quick. So I'll have these mailed off tomorrow, and hopefully get to you guys in a few days. Let me pull these off and let's go through our hits here. And I appreciate you guys coming and watching us tonight, joining us tonight. My brother has a football in a little bit. Check him out. And again, we thank you for joining us. Hopefully, if I didn't get something for you guys this time, I'll get something for you guys next time. All right, let's go over our hits here. Some of our hits. Devin Booker, Green Prism. Luka, Fantasy Stars. Isaac Okoro, 4th pick. Zion Williamson. Orange Laser, Damian Lillard. Rated Rookie, Orange Laser, Skylar Mays. Franchise features Tyler Hero. Cole Anthony, rookie card. Got John Morant. Joel Embiid, Orange Laser. Another James Wiseman. Purple Jamias Ramsey to the Kings. Arriving now, Jalen Smith. Rookie card, Rui Hachimura. Rookie card, Tribute, RJ Barrett. Prism, Jordan Clarkson. Luka Doncic, NBA City. Great Expectations, Tyrese Halliburton to the Kings. Vanity Plates, Pascal Siakam. Got a Teal Explosion, Tim Hardaway Jr. Patrick Williams, rookie card, one of many. Purple Emmanuel Quickly to the Knicks. Patrick Williams, class of 2020 to the Bulls. We got the Xavier Tillman patch to the Memphis Grizzlies. And Admiral. Zion Williamson, rookie card, Tribute. Tyrese Halliburton. Cedi Osman, auto. Jason Williams, Slam, insert. Great Expectations, Anthony Edwards. Got a Prism Laser, Taylor Horton Tucker rookie card to the Lakers. Slam insert, Chef Curry. James Wiseman, rated rookie. Got the Green Laser, Saban Lee to Pistons, and another James Wiseman. That concludes our break this evening. Thank you for joining, everybody. Appreciate it. I do have another basketball on Saturday. Hopefully we see you then. Everybody have a good night, and thank you once again. Have a good evening.